how to use the split screen option on a Samsung device. I don't really know how it works for other Android mobile devices, but this is how you do it for your Samsung device. You can open two different apps and split the screen. Let's say I have a YouTube, and let's open up a Twitter account. Once you're inside one of the apps, you go here and click this, drop it on the screen, and you go to the other one. Then you open up this again and select this split screen. You need to automatically split both screens, and you can be using them simultaneously at the same time. You can reduce the screen size on each one of them how you want it to be. Thank you for watching.